How to hide following list on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can make your following list private on TikTok so others can't see who you are following. Previously, you had to make your entire account private to hide your following list, but now you can keep your account public and still hide the list. So to do that, you need to open your TikTok application on your mobile device, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account, and also make sure that the TikTok application is up to date. Now tap on the profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then after, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. From this page, you need to simply scroll down and go to the Privacy section. From here, simply tap on Privacy that you will find between Account and Security and Permissions. From here, again scroll down and you will see the option of following list that is between downloads and liked videos. Tap on it and make sure that you've selected it to only you. Now only you can see who you're following. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.